Today is a beautiful day to start beautiful things. I love cloudy days. Oh my gosh. Those are the best days to just stay home, relax and read or do yoga or just eat and watch Netflix. But yeah, so far I'm just cooking my breakfast and watching Ava Jules vlogs at the same time. She's so funny. I don't know why I crack up so much. But yes, I'm just gonna make a egg burrito. Well, egg with spinach, basil, onion, and other stuff burrito. But it's gonna be so good. And then, what am I gonna do? Oh yeah. Then I'm gonna edit. I was filming my video on my camera, but it kind of died, so I had to continue on my phone. But yeah. So let's get started.
Shadows grow so long before my eyes, and they're moving across the page. Suddenly the day turns into night, far away from the city. But don't hesitate, 'cause your love just won't wait. Ooh, baby, I love you every day. Yeah, I wanna tell you I love you every day. I wanna be with you night and day. The moon appears to shine and light the sky with the hail of some firefly. I wonder how they have the power to shine. I can see their hair under the pine, but don't hesitate, 'cause your love just won't wait. Ooh, baby, I love you every day.
There's a white dove. Oh my gosh. These white doves have been popping up around me every time I near the windows. They're so beautiful. Okay.
How I love your way. Whoa, whoa. La da da da. I can see the sunset in your eyes, brown and gray and blue besides. Clouds are stalking islands in the sun. I wish I could find one out of season. Don't hesitate, 'cause your love just won't wait, darling. Ooh, baby, I love you every day. Yeah. I wanna tell you
So this is my food. That nice view. I'm just gonna eat and then get ready to leave to my grandma's house for my cousin's birthday. So bye.
back to the place where our love lies. Blindfolded it feels, and we try to see out to the sunlight. I used to look with my eyes closed, but now it seems like we just keep. So we just keep dancing around everything, and we just keep playing the same guessing game. We both know we'll never go back to the start if we just keep throwing darts in the dark. I remember you, I just cannot seem to find your love. There's a lately, darling, darkness is the moon between us. I used to look with my eyes closed, but now it seems like we just keep. So we just keep dancing around everything, and we just keep playing the same guessing game. We both know we'll never go back to the start if we just keep throwing darts in the dark.
This is my hair. It's just braids. I just tried doing something simple so that we can go because my sister's about to get here, and she's so nice because she was really tired to come and get me. But yeah, I'll be driving soon, so she won't have to worry about me anymore. But I'm wearing these little boots with just some jeans. And what does this say again? Oh yeah, Planet Hollywood. I got this in Orlando, Florida when I went, and it's just a sweater because it is kind of cloudy outside and cold. But yep, that's what I'm wearing. So this is the perfume I use. It's called Clean. Oh, okay. It's Clean by Rain. It actually smells really good. And it's funny because out of all the perfumes I smelled at like Sephora, this one visually attracted me the most, and it smelled really, really good. And they have another one, and it smells like Downy, so basically my clothes smell like Downy, so I was gonna get a perfume that smelled like Downy. I smell good. I'll just wear these right here. These are pretty cute. Yep.
My sister should be here. Especially past the time she said she might be here, but yeah.
First she said 2:30, and I was eating. While I was eating, she was like, maybe 2:10. And I'm like, oh shoot, I gotta hurry up and eat.
Gonna make things work.
I can't believe I actually got these on without it hurting, because I got the biggest blister from practicing dancing for my grandma because she loves pictures of us, and I really hope she likes it. I think those soccer pictures turned out good. I'm bringing this purse by Kate Spade. So that's it for now. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna record later. Maybe I will. Maybe with the baby because he's so cute. But yeah, there's so many babies coming into our family. Do you ever hate it when you see like a string on the ground that's like pitch black and you think it's like a spider and you're like, I gotta kill it? There's even these pins that hang the pictures in a room where every time I see them, I always think it's like a fly or a spider, and I take my time to walk up to it and look at it every single time. Man, my sister said she was 5 minutes away, but it feels like forever. I did yoga in my room today because it's raining outside. I guess I could have done it like in the backyard under the porch, but it's too cold for that. Anybody got time for that? Also put this jacket on because it's raining outside. So see if that's like a road runner. So my sister finally made it. 5 minutes felt like 10 minutes. So we got my cousin a cupcake. And oh, and the balloon is in the trunk. So we're just on our way.
power of light. Blindfolded it feels, and we try to see out to the sunlight. I used to look with my eyes closed, but now you see. So we just keep dancing around every day, and we just keep playing the same game. We both know we'll never.
Happy birthday!
If we just keep throwing darts in the dark. Throwing darts in the dark. I remember you, I just cannot seem to find your love. There's a lately darling darkness is the moon between us. I used to look with my eyes closed, but now it seems like we just keep. So we just keep.
So, after washing my face, waterproof eye makeup remover. It looks like that. And you have to shake it because there's like half oil, half the solution. And I like to remove any excess makeup because, you know, it's sinking in there. There is product on this. Wow. This made me very oily.
Nobody's gonna get hurt. Throwing dots.
I'm gonna use Duo to spot treat certain areas, like
throwing dots in the dark, throwing dots in the dark. So we just keep
Belief cream.
and we just.
My favorite chapstick is the Burt's Bees tinted lip balm. In the like, what shade is this? Red Delilah.
Between us,
I'm all good? Okay. So I'm just gonna finish editing some stuff, some videos coming up, some good videos. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna do that and then go to bed. So see you guys next time. Please thumbs up if you enjoyed and subscribe to this channel and subscribe to my main channel because you know you're gonna like those videos. So yeah, okay, bye. Okay, I just had to share this with you guys. It is so beautiful. The sky is, oh, the sky is pink.
nobody's gonna get hurt. Throwing dots in the dark, only gonna make things worse.
Can you tell it is pink?
Find the center of your heart. If I keep throwing dots
This looks so interesting off camera.
in the dark, so we just keep dancing.
Like, camera really does not do this justice.
Just keep playing the same.
Okay, okay, I'm gonna slip. It's so wet out here. Bye.